I'm fine.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I told him. That's what I told him.
You are going. So I'm setting memory seat in so you see the change, we have a problem. Right.
Listen. So this is it, guys. I'm excited. I'm gonna. To me, I hope it money and the only good thing, baby. I will turn my mind to your fuckery. I know I say you're doing this for something, but you're broke. I want to be a player now. Work, can't work. Yes or no, 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 no. Something never. Anyway, guys, I'm on the road. Oh, I turn down that. I'm on the road. Finally, we're go. I told you guys I'm getting a vehicle, so we're gonna pick up the vehicle today. Everything is set and stuff like that. I'm excited. So when I go see the new vehicle, no more of this. This is the last time you're vlogging in this. We still probably have a sunroof and everything, but different vehicle. So I'm on the road now. We're gonna finalize everything and pick it up. I don't know why in my eye. A couple days now in my eye red. Like somebody told me in the lack of sleep. But yeah, I'm excited, so stay tuned, guys. Anyway, I have one package right here. I don't know what is in it, but I have a package right here, and I wonder what. Hey guys, so guess what? It's that time where I'm looking at a vehicle. Well, actually, everything is already set. I didn't have to come anywhere, but I'm at Range Rover right now, and I'm just gonna show you a couple of stuff that I was looking at. I mean, like I said, everything is finalized. I did everything over the phone and everything over the internet, so I'm just here to see what they built for me. And I'm getting a 7-seater in it. It was hard to find. I have to give you guys that story. So hard to find, but I'm gonna show you some of the choices, and let's see. I'm excited. Ooh, I'm so tired. Oh, they look like some old vehicle. I'm so tired. Oh, this full black looks sick. You see that? When you got the black rims and this a black? Yeah, it just looked that way on the camera. Interior of this one looks like it's tan. Oh, I'm feeling some pain. You know what? This is a Discovery. So they have, with Land Rover, you have Land Rover, and that's the brand. You have Discovery in a Land Rover. You have Range Rover. You have Land Rover itself. So this is also a Discovery. Can't see it good. Yeah, this is a Discovery. You see how they look like the Range? This one is a small one. We actually getting a Sport. So let me see if I find a Sport. I think this one is a Sport right here. This white one right here. So we could just let's look at this white one. This is a Sport HSE. I think this is something that I'm getting. Yeah, the HSE. So they have SE, HSE, and HST, and they have the dynamic. Oh, this full black is sick too, but I don't know the difference. I don't know why. I don't think this is a 2021. This more look like a maybe 2020. You don't know the difference, yeah. So I'm just showing you guys the options, but this one is an older model. He look like an older model. Yeah, let's see this one. If a 2020. This is a 2017 actually now, and it still look good. This is a 2017. This is an older model. From you see your back look, you know this is an old one. No, this one right here, this white one. This is maybe a basic model. It have on regular rims, but I don't know if the thing is on it where we could see. Well, not. The one here big. This is a little bigger. Oh yeah, that's it. Just looking, this car that I showed you first, it's not black. It looks like black, but it's not black. Now looking at it, it looks like this deep like burgundy. So really and truly, it's not black. The newer ones is probably over there. Put them swell up. I can't walk. Oh, that one over there with the red interior is so cute. Let's go over there and look at it. Ooh, this one. Let's see which ear this is. You see this is black rims also with the red showing. I don't know. The ear in the dip on it. I can't see the ear, but ooh, this is a red interior, my color. Listen, only through I guess this is the one he showed me before, but this one don't have. So the black rims with the red look good, don't. But this one is not a 7-seater, so I guess the ear is on it. Let me see if the ear is on it. This is a 2021, so this is a new model. So it's full black. Jesus. The vehicle, but with the red inside. Oh, it's so cute. And then the interior is red. So I guess this is the one he showed me before, but they couldn't find a 7-seater in it. So that's what's up. I'll go back over here because I'm tired, and we're right here. We're in between with the look at Adi. I wanted them. The kids are in the car also. You can't want this one. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so this is the vehicle. It was actually beside the one that I showed you guys with the red interior, and I didn't know. So this is it. It's black, yes, but I guess they say when getting a Range Rover, it's better to get a black Range Rover. And it's brand new. It's a 2021 Range Rover Sport HSE. Yeah, I don't know much about cars, but the rims are pretty good. 21.5 I think. And I wanted to get full black rims, but because it's a 7-seater, it's impossible. It's hard, not impossible, but hard to find. But Michael, he did do his job, and it feels so good getting a brand new car, guys. Like everything is brand new. Everything is brand new, so I'm excited about that. The car smells new.
It's 25 miles, you know, right?
I mean, it's brand new. So
yeah, that's
there's
like
two more extra seats around the back. And oh yeah, so pull your son off. Me a vlog. You know me don't know nothing about vehicle.
No.
I'm just enough. So yeah, it's pretty good. And then you know the one thing I like about it, you can let it rise and then you can shrink it. Basically like that. Meaning you can go on the floor if you want to get up like me. No, you can go down, so I go in it and then it go back up. So but I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of my baby. I can't believe, but this is it.
That's the year, man. Most car when you buy them new car, you have 100 miles, 50 miles, 20. But it's good. And it's a HSE, guys. You
yeah, I just
me?
told them it's a HSE.
Yeah.
So it's not the
sport.
base. The base model is what, SE, and this
SE?
one is a. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to look at it more and know if the glass was black, like because when he built it, because guys, he did. You know, I'm gonna give you the history on that. So he told me he didn't mention that the windows were tint also. So that's why I wanted to see, because the bill, the one them bill.
Yeah.
It wasn't, what did I show straight through?
So,
but yeah, it's great.
You get matte.
It's pretty good. And then we're gonna get protection on it for the outside, the interior, the leather and everything. So the kids, you like it?
Yeah!
You like the color too, right? Okay, good.
Nobody ask you nothing, and then oh you have to steal like here when we light up, right? You get
I don't know. Yeah. I think so.
I mean, people, I don't know much, but hey, one thing I was going for is the rims, and once the sound system is good inside, I'm fine.
Oh yeah,
so I told them, that's
so,
what I told him.
You are going. So I'm setting memory seat in there. So you see if it change, we have a problem. Alright.
Listen, so this is it, guys. I'm excited. So this is it. When it's gonna get cleaned up and so, and then we're gonna have to come back. But I didn't have to come in to do nothing. Like Michael took care of everything over the phone. I just wanted to see the vehicle in person to make sure I'm satisfied, because they didn't have one, and it's a 7-seater.
How
so
far
the
they bring
two,
it from?
Miami. The other option was there was one in Texas, and a white one, because you guys know it was either black.
Two different car seat or something. You get the leather on the carpet. You look,
Black or white, and then they have the 2 extra seater on the back, so they're gonna fit up everything.
Oh.
But this is it, guys. You guys will see once we get it. Them chrome it up and fix it up. So I'm excited. So what you think, CMR?
Don't call me no CMR.
What you think, babe?
Oh.
You see
Love
when
it.
you see
Love
when you
it.
call me mama? I saw it sound.
Yeah, I love it, guys. I don't know. You can press out the 2
There
times
was
and test the
2,
engine. You see it?
right? There was 2. This white one you're seeing, it was, maybe this is an older model, but the option was the white with black.
Come to think of it, I prefer black now.
Yeah, you know, that's why I had to come and look at it, but I'm satisfied. We soon pop. We need the vehicle so we can set up for the baby and everything. So you know what I said, Michael, I'm going to come and look at it. If I'm satisfied, then we go with it. If not, you're going to have to search again.
See it, yeah? So we got a music video, you see me?
How did this, man? Right, Quincy, what is wrong with you? So this is it. I'm excited. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned.